Hello and welcome to Go 365's English News Bulletin. I am Susan Gomes and these are the headlines. 5 states go on 7th phase of polls from 10th of February. Goa on February 14, announces ECI. Goa, along with the entire nation, is in the grip of the third wave of the coronavirus. However, no COVID protocols on coastal belt and many Goan roads. Goa wholesale fish vendors refuse to pay SOPO, alleging that an unknown person collecting it saying he is SGPDA employee. And now for the news in detail. The Election Commission of India on Saturday announced the dates for the 7-phase assembly polls taking place across 690 assembly constituencies in 5 states on Saturday. The first phase of polling is on the 10th of February. Goa will begin polling on the 14th of February. Counting will happen on the 10th of March. 24.9 lakh first-time voters are registered in the 5 states. A total of 18.34 crore electors, including service voters, will take part in this election, out of which 8.55 crore are women electors. The Chief Election Commissioner, Sushil Chandra, announced.
Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Goa and Manipur are the states that are going to polls. Assemblies of Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Goa and Manipur will expire on May 14th, March 23rd, March 23rd, March 15th and March 19th respectively.
All to this press conference. As you are aware that the term of legislative assemblies of Goa, Manipur, Punjab, Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh are due to expire in this year on March 15th, March 19th, March 23rd and again March 23rd and May 14th respectively. A total of 690 assembly constituencies will go poll this time. These includes 40 assembly constituencies in Goa, 60 assembly constituencies in Manipur, 117 ACs in Punjab, 17 ACs in Uttarakhand and 403 ACs in Uttar Pradesh. And the first date of the issue of notification will be 14th January 2022 and which will start from Uttar Pradesh. This is the first phase of Uttar Pradesh. The issue of notification is 14th January. Last date of nominations 21st January. Scrutiny of nominations 24th January, last date of withdrawal of candidature 27th January and date of poll 10th February 2022. This is the first phase. Now let us come to the second phase, which is a very important phase. In second phase, we will be covering 4 states. Uttar Pradesh second phase, Punjab in 1 phase, Uttarakhand in 1 phase, Goa in 1 phase. So Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Uttarakhand and Goa. In second phase, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Goa will be over. And here the issue of notification will be 21st January. Last date of nominations 28th January. Scrutiny of nominations 29th January. And last date of withdrawal of candidature 31st January. And date of poll 14th February, that is Monday. Third phase, only Uttar Pradesh. That is issue of notification 25th January. Last date of nominations 1st February. Scrutiny of nominations 2nd February. Last date of withdrawal of candidature 4th February. And date of poll 20th February, that is Sunday. Uttar Pradesh 4th phase, issue of notification 27th January, last date of nominations 3rd February, scrutiny of nominations 4th February, last date of withdrawal of candidature 7th February and date of poll 23rd February. Uttar Pradesh 5th phase and first phase of Manipur. Manipur will be done in 2 phases. So on 5th phase, we will be having Uttar Pradesh 5th phase and Manipur first phase. Here the issue of notification is 1st February. Last date of notification, last nomination, 8th February. Scrutiny of nominations, 9th February. Last date of withdrawal of candidature, 11th February. And date of poll will be 27th February 2022. Uttar Pradesh 6th phase and Manipur 2nd phase. Here the issue of notification will be 4th February 2022. Last date of nominations 11th February 2022. Scrutiny of nominations 14th February 2022. Last date of withdrawal of candidature 16th February and date of poll 3rd March, that is Thursday. That way Manipur also completed the 6th phase. Uttar Pradesh 7th phase. Issue of notifications 10th February. Last date of nominations 17th February. Scrutiny of nominations 18th February. Last date of withdrawal of candidature is 21st February and date of poll is 7th March. So on 7th March all polling will be over and the date of counting is 10th March 2022, that is Thursday. Last time 2017, the election was announced on 4th of January and the counting was on 11th and here we are announcing on 8th. So we are squeezing the time as also and the faces also.
The Election Commission has banned election rallies, road shows and corner meetings until the 15th of January in the 5 poll-bound states. The Chief Election Commissioner Sushil Chandra said that the poll authority will review the COVID-19 situation on January 15th and then take a call. The Commission has also banned victory celebrations and only 2 persons will be allowed to accompany the candidate to collect the winning certificate. Voting in all 5 states to be completed in 7 phases. Elections to be held for 403 assembly seats in UP, 117 in Punjab, 70 in Uttarakhand, 60 in Manipur and 40 in Goa. Polling stations have been increased to 2,16,368. Uttar Pradesh. First phase Feb 10th, second phase Feb 14th, third phase Feb 20th, fourth phase Feb 23rd, fifth phase Feb 27th, sixth phase March 3rd, seventh phase March 7th. Uttarakhand, Goa, Punjab, single phase voting on February 14th. Manipur, first phase Feb 27th, second phase March 3rd. Counting will happen on March 10th. No roadshow, cycle bike rally will be allowed till January 15th. No political physical rally, no public meetings between 8 pm to 8 am. No Nukkad Sabha at roundabouts. No victory processions. Political parties, candidates advised to conduct their campaigns by digital or virtual mode. Model Code of Conduct comes into effect immediately from announcement of the schedules, CEC. Any violation of these guidelines will be strictly dealt with. C-Vigil application should be used by voters to report any violation of the Model Code of Conduct. All central and state officials on election duty will be doubly vaccinated. Precautionary dose will also be given. All polling stations to be on the ground floor, CEC. 2,15,368 polling stations to be set up. All polling stations to be equipped with COVID mitigating facilities like masks, gloves, sanitizers, etc. Videography to be done at all sensitive booths identified by the EC. Candidates contesting polls will be given an option for online nomination. At least one polling booth in each assembly constituency exclusively managed by women. Poll body has zero tolerance towards money power. Irshad Sheikh for Goa 365 from Panaji.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Goa, along with the entire nation, is in the grip of the 3rd wave of the coronavirus. However, if one takes a walk by the north coastal belt or even parts of the capital, one would think it is just a normal day. Here's more.
The government is promising that COVID protocols will be fully enforced, but reality tells a different picture. Goa is witnessing some 1,000 odd cases while the nation is seeing 1 lakh plus cases a day. Here are visuals at Baga Beach sent by a citizen reporter where night parties are going on in full swing. There is a board which asks people to wear masks and observe social distancing. However, the board is just a board. Tourists are seen in huge numbers. Also look at the visuals of events that are happening in sections of the capital city after an accident. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
52 multitasking staff employees employed in government hospitals demonstrated outside the Margao Hospicio Hospital on Saturday, alleging that they were sacked from the 19th of December. They gave an ultimatum of 8 days to reinstate them into the service, threatening to otherwise go on an indefinite hunger strike.
आमी हांगा साउथ डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिशियो हॉस्पिटल जे आसा थंय आमी आमचे 50 अराउंड 50 MTS वर्कर्स सर्वंट्स जेंका सरकारान प्रमोद सावंताच्या सरकारान BJPच्या सरकारान हेल्थ मिनिस्टर विश्वजीत राणे जो आसा तेणी हांकां जेन्ना कोविडाची ल्हार आयिल्लो लोक गडगडून मरतालो कोण घरांतल्यान भायर सरना आशिल्लो ह्या बायलांनी ह्या आमच्या भयण्यांनी ह्या आमच्या यंग तरणाट्या भुरग्यांनी पोटाक लागून कितें जोडटले आनी ह्युमन सर्विसीस करपा खातीर कोविड वॉरियर्स म्हणून तेणी एक रिस्क घेतले आनी जॉबाक लागले हांगा तेन्ना कोण येवपाक सोदनाशिल्लो कामा खातीर बट हेणी खंय तरी एक धाडस घेवन आपले भुरगीं आसात आपले आवय बापूय आसा सॅक्रिफायस करून ते हांगा जॉबाक जेन्ना एडवर्टिजमेंट आयले तेन्ना तेणी एप्लाय केले आनी 50 जाणां MTS वर्कर्स उडवले. वायट दिसता कित्याक हे गोंयचे भाव ह्यो गोंयच्यो भयण्यो ह्यो आमच्यो म्हाजे नावेलीचे आसा हांगा आमी दिपा कोरेरा जी आसा जी MS आसा हाची मेडिकल सुप्रिटेंडंट आसा दिपा कोरेरा आसा तिका आमी मेळपा आयली आमी सांगलें वी डोंट टू डिस्टर्ब द फंक्शनींग ऑफ द हॉस्पिटल बिकॉज आतां कोवीड केसीस आनी वाडिल्ल्यो आसा अरे आतां तुमकां चड गरज आसा घ्या हांकां आसली तांकांय दवरात तुमकां जाय तर आनी कोणाकय घालात वालपोचे 70चे 40चे घालात वी आर नॉट अगेन्स्ट गोवन्स पूण हेंचे पोटार येनाकात.
MTS employees said when people were inside their houses due to the pandemic, they were out working, serving people for 1.5 years. Government had at that time promised to regularize them. However, now others have been employed in their place. They complain.
1.5 वर्ष झाली आम्ही सगळी कामां करता कोविडान जेन्ना फर्स्ट कोविड स्टार्ट जाल्लो तेन्नासून आमची सगळी स्टाफा कामाक ओके आनी हीच कोविडान हांगा हॉस्पिटलाचे फिक्स जे स्टाफ आसता पळय ते सुद्दां हांगा येवन काम करपाक भिताले तांकां सुटी दिवन तांकां घरा बसयले आनी आमकां आपयले ऑन कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट बेजीस आनी आमकां कित्याक आपयले तुमी काम करात आनी कोविडाक कोण काम केलं पळय तांकां गव्हर्मेंट जॉब दितली म्हणून ओके ते आशा घेवन सगळी आमची स्टाफ भुरगे आसा पळय तांकां कामां आयिल्ले. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आम्ही स्टाफाक सगळी काम केली पॅम्पर्स चेंज केली पेशंटाचे ते हागून मुतून ते सगळें चेंज केली डेड बॉडी पॅक केली ते करपाक कोण रेडी नाशिल्लो इवन हॉस्पिटलाचो स्टाफ सुद्दां रेडी नाशिल्लो करपाक आमी रेडी आशिल्ले कित्याक आमकां कितें तरी बरें जातलें म्हणून आमी रेडी जाल्ले पूण आमचें कांयच बरें जालें ना लास्टाक आमकां सर्टिफिकेट दिवन हॉस्पिटलाच्यान भायर मारले.
केली तेणी कोणाचे पेपर घातले तेणी कोणाचे रगत क्लीन केले तेणी खंय रे तूं विश्वजीत राणे आनी कितें मुनिसिपल ना प्रमोद सावंताक वायट दिसता 15 दीस जाले तांकां काडून उडयला आनी कितें ही भाजयेक लावपाक हें कितें ही सर्टिफिकेट दिल्या खंय ग्रुपार मेसेज घातल्या तुमकां काडलें म्हणून आनी काडले आनी नवे भुरग्यांक घेतला खंयच्या भुरग्यांक घेतला रे 70चे अरे विश्वजीत राणे तूं फक्त 70 भरपाक सोदता ते तुजी चल्लां कितें रे हांगा एक काम कर हे साउथ डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल म्हूण आसा पळय तो बोर्ड घाल आनी 70 हॉस्पिटल म्हणून घाल तूं इतलें सेल्फीश जायनाका तूं हेंचेय चीत आमचे सालसेट आमचे साश्टी जे आमचे भुरगे आसात तेंचेय चीत ह्यो सर्टिफिकेट तुमची कोणाक जाय इन ऑनर खंय ऑफ कोवीड वॉरियर यू हॅव डन फायनस्ट ह्युमन व्हॅल्यूज वी डोंट डेट 18,000 तांकां जोडटालीं त्या 18,000 कितें तरी तांचे पोट चलतालें डायरेक्टली तुमी काडटा आतां तांकां तुमी तांकां कितें सांगिल्लें पेपरार दिल्लें प्रमोद सावंत CMन पेपरार दिल्लें तुमी इतलें बरें काम करपा लागल्या तुमी इतले आपले काडीज आपले रिस्क घेवन जिवाची तुमी एक काम करपा लागल्या तुमी सर्व करपा लागल्या रियल ह्युमन व्हॅल्यूज दाखोवपा लागल्या वी वील तुमकां आमी गव्हर्मेंट जॉब परमनंट दितले म्हणून.
Sandeep Tuekar for Goa 365 from Margao.
Earlier today, Mayam broke out outside the Chief Minister's official residence after a group of final year students led by NSUI protesting the online final exams were lathi-charged and picked up by the police. AAP too submitted a memorandum to the Chief Minister on this issue.
We want justice! We want justice! We want justice!
The DOE had earlier announced that exams for all college students would remain offline, but backtracked as cases surged. They shifted first and second year exams online, leaving final year exams offline. With daily positivity rate very high, final year students demanded that their exams should also be shifted online. AAP youth leader Chetan Kamath also joined the students but took a different angle to the issue, asking rather that exams be pushed forward until cases subsided.
Online exam आमका जाय. Online exam आमका जाय. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice.
भितर काय उचना भितर काय उचना आम्ही पळय तुम्ही अपॉइंटमेंट सांगता भुरग्यांनी अपॉइंटमेंट मेमोरंडम बरयला NSUI गोवा रोड मेमोरंडम ऑन 28 भुरग्यांनी लेटरा बरयला दर एक स्टुडंटांनी ईमेल धाडला CMाक एकूच CM रिस्पॉन्ड करना आमची अपॉइंटमेंट आमचो दिना CM फ्रॉम लास्ट 2 years तेन्ना पेंडेमिक सुरू जाला तेन्नासून NSUI गोवान अपॉइंटमेंट मागला CMान अजून पर्यंत अपॉइंटमेंट दिना कित्याक CM भियेता खबर ना स्टुडंट्साक ही इज ऑलवेज एंटी स्टुडंट केन्ना स्टुडंटाक आयकपाक तयार ना आनी डेमोक्रेसी म्हटल्यार कितें टू हॅव अ डायलॉग टू हॅव अ डिस्कशन काल कन्याकुमारान सेम सांगला इफ देर इज नो डायलॉग इफ देर इज नो डिस्कशन देन इट्स अ हार्म फॉर द डेमोक्रेसी आनी ही BJP गव्हर्मेंट आनी प्रमोद सावंत आर अटॅकिंग द डेमोक्रेसी. चायना रिजल्ट CM डिक्लेअर करना स्टुडंट्स विल बॉयकॉट एग्जाम पळया जाय ते करताले करून जाय आमकां जाय आमकां जाय आमकां जाय आमकां जाय वी वॉन्ट.
सर आम्ही आज आयिल्ले ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टराक एक लेटर करपाक की पोस्टपोन द एग्जाम ऑफ थर्ड इयर जी थर्ड इयराची एग्जाम आसा पळय ती पोस्टपोन करची म्हणून त्या खातीर एक इनवर्ट करपाक लेटर आयिल्लो बट काही कारणां खातीर हे लेटर म्हाका इनवर्ट करचें पडटा आमच्या सेक्रेटेरिएटान सो सेक्रेटेरिएटान वचून हांव हाचेर पळयतलो इनवर्ट घेतलो आनी हांव ऑनरेबल CMाक रिक्वेस्ट करता आम आदमी थ्रू की ही एग्जाम जी आसा पळय ती पोस्टपोन करची म्हणून एक्चुअली आमी पोस्टपोन एग्जाम म्हणून हें करता आमी अशें म्हणूंक ना की एग्जाम ऑनलायन जावची जावं आनी कितें जावचें बट एटलिस्ट पोस्टपोन जावची म्हणून कित्याक कोविडाचो ही महामारी जी परत आयल्या त्या खातीर भुरग्यांक त्रास जावपाक जायना म्हणून सो पोस्टपोन्ड एग्जाम करपा खातीर हें लेटर केलां.
William Rodrigues for Goa 365 from Panaji.
Controversy erupted at the wholesale fish market at Margao over payment of SOPO. Goa wholesale fish traders alleged that the collection system was not done as per the law and they refused to pay SOPO to the SGPDA staff appointed to collect it, alleging that unknown persons was collecting the amounts on pretext of SGPDA employee.
The All Goa wholesale fish traders refused to pay SOPO to the SGPDA staff appointed to collect SOPO, stating that the earlier SOPO collector was sacked on High Court directives. The wholesale fish traders demanded that the person appointed failed to show the appointment order of the SGPDA member secretary. Most of the wholesale fish traders did not pay the SOPO. Vendors allege that every time a new person is appointed to collect SOPO, there is never any clarity on whether SGPDA is collecting SOPO or some other agency. SGPDA should issue a letter mentioning the name of the person who will collect SOPO in future, they requested.
अरे एसपीडी जाऊ एसपीडी मध्ये 100 असताले हा ना म्हणणं काढा कोण सगळं खाली वा गर्दी करा शॉर्टकट करा चल अरे
आता किती पैसे दिवपाची का ना त्याका
पैसे देऊ
पाहिलं जरा दिवपाची का ना
पण त्यांच्याकडे लेटर ना आणि
पाहिलं ते लेटर दाखल लेटर
पाहिलं देतो म्हणून सांगला त्याने आज.
खाली तिथं खाली कोणी मारा आज करून धरले पण आम्ही साईन कोण मारताना
अरे सायन माणूस होती आम्ही प्रूफ केलं तुम्ही आता येईल म्हणा मला म्हटलं बरं तुम्ही
प्रूफ म्हणता आणि त्याला आम काय प्रूफ जाय नाही बाबा तो आमचा फोटो मारपी कोण आता तो गाडी फोटो मारपी कोण आम काय प्रूफ जाय नाही
अपमान केलाय का
आपण दाखव माराय लेटर दाखव माराय
गाडी नंबर फोटो काढून
हा मम्मी काम चालू
तुम्ही एकदा सायन कोण मारपाना सायन कोण मारपाना का काल इथले काल कोण मेट टॉप मनीस आता पैसे कलेक्ट करता हांगा लूट चल्लेले आहा मार्केटान कळतो हा आज म्हणतो ते एसपीडीचे मनीस आहा त्याच्याकडे लेटर ना आमकां जाय लेटर एसपीडीचो विथ प्रॉपर नेम सो एंड सो पर्सन विल कलेक्ट द लेवी चार्जेस तो कांय ते दिवपाक तयार ना येला कोण पिवन बदला कोण ते बदला आयडेंटिटी कार्ड आसा तेंच्याकडे आमचे अशें करून पयशे खूब खाले आमचे आमकां जाय प्रॉपर डॉक्युमेंट आमच्या हायकोर्टार ऑर्डर आहा रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह ऑफ द SGPD तेकाच पैसे दिवपाचे आनी कोणा पैसे दिवपाची गरज ना म्हणून आमकां हायकोर्ट ऑर्डर आहा ते हे बेस्ट टेम्पररी लेटर घेवन येयला कोण उलयता फिश मार्केटार रिटेल काम करपी मनीस तो येवन हांगा दादागिरी करता बरे बरे लेटर इश्यू करा मरे हो मनीस तुमकां आमगे येतलो तेका पयशे दियाय म्हणून हा कोणा बलता धाडटा आमी पयशे कशे दिवपाचे इतले पयशे आमचे इतले लाखांनी पयशे काल एकटो येयलो 2 लाख घेवन गेलो
कार्ड गळ्यान घातले म्हणून आम्ही एसपीडी 100 मनीस कार्ड गळ्यान गेलो आसतले कोण येत तांकां पैसे दीत रावतले हो आमगे एक्चुअली ताका हार्ड कॉपी एक दिवपाक जाले कित्याक ही कोर्ट मॅटर जाल्ली आहा आमी कितें म्हणलें ताका पयशे दिवपाक कांय ऑब्जेक्शन ना पूण आमकां कळपाक जाय की खरो होच मनीस एसपीडीन अपॉयंट केलो म्हणून ताका हार्ड कॉपी लागता न्ही जें कितें जालां आतां त्या कोर्टान जालें न्ही आमी म्हणलें हार्ड कॉपी हाड तुमकां आमी पयशे दिता आमी ना म्हणलें आमी वयल्या कॉपरेट करता काल मनशे आयले ताका सांगलें तूं कांय टेन्शन घेना आमी तूं कॉपरेट करता म्हणून सांगलें पण हे तर असले नाटजिंग करपाक लागले हांगा एकलो आयज येता फाल्यां दुसरो येता पर दुसरो येता हे लूटमार जालें मरे
Sandeep Tuekar for Goa 365 from Margao.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Now for the weather. Weather is very likely to remain dry for the next 5 days, starting from January 8th. Maximum and minimum temperatures are likely to hover around 32 degrees centigrade and 21 degrees centigrade respectively.
While the weather gets warmer, minimum temperatures have not registered any large changes and are not expected to change either for another 2 days. There will be light haze and fog at isolated areas during the early morning hours for another 5 days starting January 8th. No weather and fishermen warnings have been issued so far. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log on to our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, Goa 365 TV, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Goa 365 TV, or download our app, which is available on both Android and iOS, to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching Goa 365.